Hello, today we are solving October 2023 Unit 2 question number 6 Part B. Evaluate whether Dhara should sell her shares in Rajshahi Electronics PLC and place the monies received into the bank account. Does she need to place it in a bank account or does she need to sell her shares which she holds in Rajshahi Electronics? So in the part A of the question, we had been asked to calculate a series of accounting ratios like what was the dividend per ordinary share she received, what is the dividend yield, dividend cover, return on capital employed, and what is the PE ratio. So Dara had bought 1000 shares for 1.35 per share, and now she, because of these accounting ratios, she is able to judge whether she has to sell her shares and keep the money in the bank account. If she keeps it in the bank account, she will receive an interest of 3% per year on any monies which has been deposited in the bank. So she has to decide whether hold the shares or keep it in the bank account. Now because we had calculated all this, now let's see what is the argument for selling shares. So, the argument for, let's look at the argument for selling shares. Dara is going to receive a 2% return in the form of dividends. How did you calculate it as a 2% dividend? Because we had already calculated dividend yield. So dividend yield is the same as the bank interest that's going to pay. So she is going to get 2% return in the form of dividends. If she had invested in the bank, she will get a return of 3%, which is higher. So let's calculate. Now the market price for per ordinary share is 1.30 and she has 1000 shares. So 1.3, 1.3 times 1000 shares. So that is going to be equal to 1300 pounds. That is the value of her share. That is the share value. Now she would get a return of extra 13%. That means the share is going to give her a return of the return of 26 pounds, 2% of 1300, whereas the bank is going to give her a return of 39 pounds. How do you calculate this? This is 3% of 1300 pounds value of shares. This is going to be, the bank is going to give an interest of 3%. They have given that. So you have the value of the share is 1300 now. If she holds the share, she will get a dividend of 2%, whereas the bank account is going to give her a return of 39%. She will get an extra 13% pounds more if she keeps it in the bank account. That's first conclusion you can make. Then second, the low dividend cover shows that the company are paying out nearly all of this year's profit in the form of dividends. So it might not be possible to pay future dividends in the future. So the dividend cover, if you look at the dividend cover, it was 1.01 times. Whatever, so whatever was the profit, everything they had paid as a dividend. So equal amount, but sometimes if they don't make profit in the next year, then the dividend may not be possible in the future, whereas in the bank it is guaranteed. Now let's look at the argument for holding the shares. The high price to earnings ratio shows that the market has confidence in Rajshahi Electronics PLC. The PE ratio, the PE ratio is around 49.24 times, which is a very high PE ratio. It has got a very high PE ratio, which means that it may result in good returns in the future. Then the share price might also rise in the future. 2 years ago, the shares were bought for 1.35 per share. If she sells now, she will also make a loss. She is going to make, because now the market price is 1.30, whereas she had bought it for 1.35. So she will make a loss of 50 pounds. And then Dara will also have to pay commission to the stock brokers whenever when she asks to sell the shares on her behalf. so that will be an extra commission cost. Okay, it will be an extra commission cost to Dhara. So, and she will not only lose 50 plus commission cost she will lose. So finally you can conclude that it is better to favor sell the shares. Okay, you can sell off the shares rather than hold it, because she is not guaranteed with the dividends in the future. You can give any conclusion. You can also say it is better to hold the shares and wait for the share price to rise, or you can say it is better to sell the shares, okay, and keep money in the bank to recover any loss she is going to make. Okay, so that is how you can conclude.